I am Sara Bonito, researcher at INAF Observatory of Palermo in Italy. Our team is working on the development of the software for the classification of stellar variability, focusing on young stellar objects, and on variability mainly due to accretion processes at different timescales. As requested, I will briefly provide information on the purpose of the software, the community in TVS that can be considered the target audience, if the software is based on existing software, and the status of the ongoing activities. The purpose of the software is the classification of stellar variability, also using the Rubin Science platform, focusing on young stellar objects and the analysis of light curves and color magnitude diagrams. The community that can be considered the target audience is the subgroup non-degenerate update variables, the subgroup classification, and the data preview zero task force in TVS. But also the Stars Milky Way and local volume science collaboration members can be interested in the investigation of star-forming regions. The status of the ongoing activities is shown here. Our team is developing the concept and prototyping the idea as the team is not yet funded. We have discussed the scientific application to short-term and to lower-term variability in young stellar objects in the cadence note Bonito and Venuti and Collaborators 2021, and in the APJ Rubin Cadence Focus issue Bonito and Venuti and Collaborators in preparation, and in Strofel and Collaborators 2022. Our strategy allows us to fully exploit the capability offered by Rubin LSST during the whole service operations. In fact, we can explore from hours to decade variability in young stellar objects. The plots on the left show that we need a dense temporal coverage to analyze the light curve shape on timescale of days, while the plot on the right shows the light curve on timescales of years for XOR objects to reveal accretion bars. Thank you.